95, more than 95% of the paper came from these 3 sessions. I don't know how many of you attended. Maths toppers package to score more than 95% in your mathematics exam. Then the next session which got a lot of love from you guys, fixed question to score 80 on 80. This was the game changer. These 2 sessions were like 80-90% of the paper came from these 2 sessions, and the moment I took this particular session, passing package, more than 95-97% of the paper came from these 3 sessions. That's what I can see. Now part E had, which question can you see? This is a property of definite integration that you need to prove, and based on that you need to calculate the integration. So this is the question wherein we need to prove that property. So property proving will be there, and after that we need to calculate the value of integration. Same question we have done. Now linear programming, if you can see, same data 5x plus 10y, and same question I have taken in toppers package session, toppers package, okay. Then we are having one more question where a matrix 2 cross 2 is given to you, and you need to prove an equation and you need to calculate A inverse. Also same question, can you see A matrix given, equation you need to prove, and using that equation you need to find A inverse. So this is the same question. Now can you see the same data? The data, the matrix is also not changed, right? Matrix is also not changed. Same matrix. Now OR में there is a question of continuity. Same data, same case, same copy paste, carbon copy. I told you exact data. Part E exact one by one. All the questions completely were matching. Okay. I did it in passing package. If you can see the same question again, the same data was there. Passing package. The matrix is also same. Everything is absolutely same.